Baba has gift for you. You want to open it? Helicopter! You liked it? Huh? Do you like it, Zida? Huh? You like it? You want to open? Yes, open. Open. What? What do you want? Open? Open. Ding! 1, 2, 3, open! It's the remote. The remote and the charger. Go hold the remote. And the helicopter. Where are you, helicopter? Come here. Oops. 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 Here. Not it, not it. Hey, careful, careful, baby. Here. Very light. It will fly, baby. Yes, it will fly. Nice one, huh? Oops, oops. Where is it? Where are you hiding, Zido? You're scared with your helicopter? Why hiding? Why hiding? Huh? You scared with the helicopter? You don't want to play? Livia, why are you scared with the helicopter? It's a nice one. But Zaid's still hiding. Go play with your helicopter.
This should not be blinking much.
Ay.
يلا يلا
Give it to him, Baba.
تعال يلا يلا we'll make it work.
Wow. Oops. Oh. Zido, watch Zido. Why hiding, baby?